did many good things, and I tried my best to help my family. For example, I helped my mom take out the trash, and I also helped my dad cook breakfast in the morning. And I helped my little sister make her bed get ready for the day. So Santa, will you give me a laptop or